Never thought I'd make the video this soon after the last one, but here we are. So let's get into the thrilling conclusion of this case. What's up, everyone? Arif here, and well, like I said, we are at the end of this case. This thrilling saga has actually come to an end. I did not expect to get an email from the police officer so soon after the last video, but yeah, here we are. So this came in 7 days ago. It came in on August 23rd. I am recording this today on August 30th. That's how lazy I am at production content. I just don't want to turn the camera on. But either way, let's get into it and show you what is going to happen with this case, because I know all of you are on pins and needles. He starts by saying, "Hi Arif, I am able to provide you with an update, though it is not what I was hoping to update you with. I served a production order on PayPal for them to provide me with the information regarding the two transactions that you made. Remember, I made one $1 transaction and one $5 transaction. PayPal provided me with the information, and unfortunately, the account the money was transferred to is located in Kenya. Yeah, that Kenya. I was expecting the money to maybe not be in Alberta anymore, but did not expect it to be outside of Canada. With that, my ability to track the money and potential offender ends here. I'm sure that's not the news you wanted to hear. Please let me know if you have any questions." Immediately upon getting this email, I sent him a reply. "Thank you for all the work you put into this. I sincerely appreciate you and your efforts. Some life lessons are more expensive than others, and for $500, I think I got away with the best of the worst case scenarios. Thank you once again, Arif." There it is, guys. That is the thrilling conclusion to this case. The money is now in Kenya. Some dude probably went around and bought 3 Lambos and 2 Rolls Royces and maybe a like 50,000 foot mansion. So he's probably living it up over there because God knows their money's not worth anything. But like I said in my reply, some life lessons are more expensive than others, and $500 is not that bad for a life lesson. I hope you guys enjoyed this thrilling little saga of mine. God knows I did. I learned a lot. And yeah, if you like this type of content, I don't know, hit the sub button. I don't know. Oh my God, I'm such a fat idiot. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. Leave a comment with your opinion down below. I actually am curious to see the kind of like creative roast you guys come up with. And I'll see all of you on the next piece of actual content. Thanks, guys. Bye.